Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your outreach with Impact Radius detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin managing your outreach with Impact Radius, create an account on their website. Once registered, log in to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard for easier navigation. Click on the Outreach tab located on the left side menu. Next, select Create New Outreach Campaign. Define your campaign name and set a clear objective. Choose your target audience based on demographics and interests. Upload a compelling outreach message to engage potential partners. Customize your outreach email with personalization tokens for better impact. Set the outreach schedule to determine when emails will be sent. Review the settings to ensure everything is in accordance with your goals. Once confirmed, click Launch Campaign to initiate the outreach process. Monitor the performance metrics regularly within the dashboard. Pay attention to open rates and response rates for insights. Adjust your campaign strategy based on the data collected. Consider sending follow-up emails to those who haven't responded. Utilize A/B testing for subject lines to optimize engagement. Engage with your partners through the platform's communication tools. Evaluate the results at the end of the campaign for analytics. Use these insights to refine your outreach strategies in future campaigns. Continue to build relationships with successful partners for ongoing collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.